Well, hello everybody. Well, it's time to clean the fan. And I thought, well, goodness, how am I going to clean the fan? So I thought, well, okay, let's see, we can use some of this stainless steel wipes, and we can use this cooktop remove tough stain. And I really got a lot of grease on this kitchen fan, so I'm going to show you that it really cleans. Okay? Alright, let me put this down here. And I already put some on the cloth, as you can see. Okay? And I'm going to take it. You can see the fan, I hope. Tilt it down a little bit. And bring it across. And you can see all of the grease comes right off. Very easy. I don't have to take the fans off. I can just clean it like this. Just being very careful. I'm standing on a chair, a very sturdy wood heavy chair. Just take it. It's amazing how this stuff really works. It looks on my new stove cleaning, so I thought, okay, well this is grease, so let's see if it'll clean the fan. And it's doing a good job. Okay, there. You don't even have to take the fan blades off. Okay. I hope you can see the video. Here. Let me show you. Okay. I'll show you on the see how much it comes off. Look at that. They don't take that long to do it either. It just comes off really good. I've done all the other blades, and I have to clean it here and the inside too. And just take your time and do it. If you want to do one blade at a time and come back and do the other, or you can just continue. The blade, the fan is put up very nice and tight, and I didn't want to take anything apart. So, okay, so it's good enough for stove, and it's grease, so I guess I have to take it. It really works. Here you go, grease here. There's that greaser down mark. Oops, oopsie dip. Oh. The light went out. But anyway, this stuff really works. As you can see, it's so filthy. So much grease on it. There, look at that. I can do some more tomorrow. I can finish it up. But it's doing its job. As you can see, a lot of grease on there. But makes really much better. See all that grease coming out? Whoa. Falls to the floor. You can put plastic down on the floor. Just come off. Sweep away. Alright. That's how that looks good. And like I say, I'll do some more. Oh my goodness, that's Rocky, the German Shepherd. Scared scared me. I guess somebody's outside. Well, I really let you know that here, top removes tough stains, and here, same with steel, and I use this for my stove, and it works good for the fan. And I ordered this online, okay, when I bought the stove. Alright, and now the fan looks really nice. Here, let her go a little bit. Oh, much better, much better. Okay, Rocky. Alright, baby. Who's outside, huh? Isn't that great? There it is. I really like my fan again because it was pretty greasy. So, anyway, try it and see. And it's easy to do. Okay? So, thank you very much. Signing off, Miss Kitchen in the kitchen.